All right, let's talk cranial nerve, starting with cranial nerve number 1. This is our olfactory nerve. It travels through our olfactory foramina, and it contributes to your sense of smell. Cranial nerve number 2 right here is our optic nerve. Right here, it travels through your optic canal. It is your visual clarity, peripheral vision, and your pupillary reflex. Cranial nerve number 3 here travels through our superior orbital fissure. It is our eye movement and pupillary light reflex nerve, and it's called the oculomotor nerve. Cranial nerve number 4 here also travels through the superior orbital fissure. It is our trochlear nerve, and it is responsible for the superior oblique innervation. Okay, cranial nerve number 5 actually has 3 subdivisions in it. This is the trigeminal nerve. V1 travels through the superior orbital fissure. It is the ophthalmic division of the trigeminal nerve, and it is responsible for face sensation. Okay, V2 travels through the foramen rotundum. It is the maxillary division of the trigeminal nerve, and it is responsible for the muscles of mastication innervation. So it's chewing and everything like that. And then the third V3 is the mandibular division of the trigeminal nerve. It travels through the foramen ovale, and it is also part of the muscles of mastication. Cranial nerve 6 is our abducent nerve. It travels through the superior orbital fissure as well, and it innervates the lateral rectus of the eyeball. Okay, cranial nerve 7 on this model, it is the facial nerve. It travels through the stylomastoid foramen internal acoustic meatus. It's responsible for facial movements, and then it's also responsible for the taste on the anterior 2/3 of our tongue. Cranial nerve 8 is our vestibular-cochlear nerve. It is also traveling through the internal acoustic meatus right here, and it is responsible for our hearing and balance. Cranial nerve 9 right here travels through our jugular foramen. It is our glossopharyngeal nerve. It is responsible for the movement of the stylopharyngeus muscle, as well as the posterior 1/3 of the tongue's taste. Cranial nerve 10 here also travels through the jugular foramen. It does a lot of different things. This is our vagus nerve. It is responsible for the movement of the heart, lungs, and throat, and then also the sensory of the heart, lungs, the intestines, esophagus, and stomach. Okay, cranial nerve 11 here enters through the foramen magnum, as we can see here, and it exits through our jugular foramen right here. This is our spinal accessory nerve. It is responsible for the movement of the sternocleidomastoid muscle and the trapezius muscle. And finally, cranial nerve number 12 here, it is our hypoglossal nerve. It travels through the hypoglossal canal, as we can see here. It is responsible for tongue movement. Okay, those were the cranial nerves.